Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nails by Breathe the Bean. Today I'm going to be doing this like kind of glitter line, across the nails. It's like a soft way, it's cool. So yeah. So the first thing that I do for my nails is I prep my forms. Yep. So what I do is grab the form, take the little sticker that a lot of people leave behind, put it on the back of the form, and next I will curve kind of my form, and next I'll stick the edges of the form together and rip the little piece in the middle apart in half, just do that, all the forms, yeah. And now the next step that I will do is, I'm just gonna put on my forms, and as you can see, I didn't show you guys, but in my previous video you can see why and how I cut those little slits on the side of the nail forms. But yeah, I think I only did that for my pinky and my ring finger this time. But yeah, I'm just gonna put on all my forms. Okay, so the next step that I do is I am going to do like a thin layer of clear acrylic, thin like kind of tips, but I don't really use tips, so it would just be like a thin layer, I guess, just a thin layer. And I do a thin layer like from my natural nail to all the way on the free edge, I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, and I'm just gonna do that thin layer on all 5 nails because I only practice, all these nails are practice videos, so I usually only do 5 nails, as you guys can tell, I think. But yeah, I also wanted to mention that I will definitely link all the products that I use in each video in the description. And if I miss a product and you guys want to know what product I use, well, you guys can totally leave a comment or even DM me on Instagram at Nails by Breathe the Bean, and like just be like, hey, I was wondering what product is this. Like, I definitely do not mind. Like, I will happily respond to you, because why not? So yeah, keep that in mind. Okay, so right now what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna use that soft white and this glitter that I got. And you know what, you guys, I actually got this glitter from Walmart. You know, like, you guys will not believe how good some of the glitters are. Like, in my future videos that I'll be posting soon, so you know, stay for that. I actually use quite some glitters from Walmart because if you're a beginner like me, I'm pretty sure you know that some glitters can be pretty pricey, and like it'll be like, I don't know, like $10 for like a little, like very very small bottle. And yeah, maybe that's kind of a lot, but like it's still like kind of pricey for like a little bottle, you know. But yeah, I'll definitely gonna link the glitter in the description. But that's a little DIY kind of hack thingy-majigger that, you know, I'll let you guys know, you know. But also, if you guys do that with the glitter from Walmart or any other store, just be aware that some glitters, the colors might bleed off. So like look into that, because there are some glitters that like the color bleeds off of the glitter, but this glitter that I'm using doesn't do that, and it's a really pretty glitter, you know. So yeah, but sorry, going back to the nails. This step I'm basically doing the little cutouts on the natural nail and whatever, you know, and I'm just gonna do that kind of with I kind of do like a thin layer, and next you guys will later see that I use an X-Acto knife that I also got from Walmart. I use that X-Acto knife to cut like the shape, I guess, you know. And next I'll clear cap the soft white, and in the next step you'll see that I put the glitter. But yeah, right now I'm just going to do the little part, you know, right here. I'm pretty sure you'll see that, yep, there's the X-Acto knife, and I'm gonna cut the acrylic to that good length that I think it is. I think that was a good length. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that to all the nails. And I would recommend clear capping like that little part that I'm gonna leave behind, because this white, like the color acrylics, I'm pretty sure I already explained this before, but if you guys haven't heard or you guys are new to my channel, then I usually, when I use colors, I always try to clear cap, because colors are usually not core, or yeah, they're not core powders. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. They're not core powders, so basically that means that they're not like powders that are meant to hold a structure for the nail, I think, kind of. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. But basically that the core powders, which are the stronger ones, I guess you could say, are the ones that, well, are stronger and will keep your nails like they'll be stronger, you know. I don't know how to explain it. I'm really bad at explaining things, but I hope you guys understand me. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this step to all the nails. so now this step I'm gonna use my e-file, and I am going to be making that, like, yeah, right there where I cut, like, sharper, I guess, you know. And yeah, I'm just gonna be using this bit, as you can see. And if you are using this bit, I just wanted to say, be very careful, because if you like move or something, like just the smallest bit wrong, then you can cut yourself or your client, and that is not something you really want, you know. And also, don't apply too much pressure if you are doing this step, because if you did a thin base like me, then you just don't want to like cut through all the way your nail, yeah, like all the way through your nail bed. I think you understand, I hope so. But yeah, just be careful when you're just using this bit in general, even if it's not the ones that I use, just as long as it's this type of bit, you know. But yeah, I just did that for all my nails. And right now I'm gonna go in with my glitter that I got from Walmart. So yeah, shout out to Walmart. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the glitter and gonna put that on all the nails, and I'm gonna do a thin base, clear cap the glitter, and next you guys will see that I kind of use the X-Acto knife to like cut it also, like I did with the white. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that with the glitter. And I also want to say that later, once I forgot to film, I guess, the part where I go in with the e-file again to like actually file the nails, like once I was done completely with application. But yeah, I forgot to film the part where I go in with the e-file and take off, you know, bulk, I guess, you know, and next where I hand file. But you guys are totally welcome to, like, you know, watch my other videos, because I basically do the same thing with, like, I basically do the same whole file process thingy on all my nails, so you guys can basically see what I do on my other videos, you know. So yeah, I'll put like a little suggestion somewhere in the video where you guys can watch the whole process, you know, and you guys can even see me do other nails. So yeah, check it out. I also wanted to say that while I was doing the voiceover thingamajigger, I just realized that I never showed you guys how I did the thumb, but I'll just explain it to you guys really quick right now because it was very easy. So basically what I did is, at the end you guys will see the design. It's just like kind of this kind of vertical line, you know, where, I don't know, you guys can go and see it right now and come back. But basically what I did is, for the glitter part, I basically did what I did with the white in the beginning, put the glitter and next cut it, put the glitter, next clear capped, and next cut it and filed it, made it nice, crisp and sharp. And next, once I filed that and it was a nice, good, you know, like pretty crisp, clean, you know, next I put the white, like a good amount of white. Next I clear capped the white. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the thumb, you know. It wasn't that hard, but yeah, that's all I wanted to say. these are how the nails came out. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments, bro. Like, look at those Walmart glitters, bro. I'm telling you, they're nice. But yeah, you know, just tell me what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up, bro, if you like these, you know. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and check me out at Instagram and TikTok at Nails by Breathe the Bean. And have a good rest of your day. And bye.